Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most popular programming languages in the world, Java. So, what is Java? Java was created by Sun Microsystems in 1995 and is now owned by Oracle. It's a versatile, object-oriented programming language that's designed to run on any platform. Write once, run anywhere is Java's famous motto. Java's cross-platform capability means you can write your code once and run it on almost any operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It's also object-oriented, which makes it great for building large, complex systems that are easy to maintain and scale. Now, where is Java used? Java is everywhere, from Android apps to enterprise software to powering web servers. Big companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix use Java to build scalable backends, while developers worldwide rely on Java for mobile and cloud-based applications. And what about the future of Java? Java continues to evolve with regular updates, making it a go-to language for modern cloud computing, Internet of Things, IoT applications, and large-scale enterprise systems. Java's maturity, performance, and wide community support ensure it will stay relevant for years to come. So, whether you're building mobile apps, enterprise systems, or web applications, Java's flexibility and reliability make it a fantastic choice for developers of all levels. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this quick overview of Java, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more programming insights. See you in the next video.